How to turn off all sounds in the Facebook app. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of steps for you to be able to turn off all the sounds that you have from your Facebook application. The first is of course open up your Facebook app and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Head over into your profile and then scroll down from here and go into settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now there's actually two ways where you can go to media or sound settings. You can use the search settings box, or you can just simply scroll down and then under preferences, choose on the media option. Now once you're here, scroll down once again, and then you should be able to see around the reel and photo settings, which is going to be the sounds in the app. So if this is turned on, all the sounds will actually work on your Facebook application. If it is turned off, then all the sounds or any kinds of music or post videos on your Facebook app will automatically set to off. Simply tick this small circle right here to disable and you're done. And that's how you turn off all sounds in the Facebook app.